Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Brooks from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the recipe for some cassava fritters. If you never had cassava before, cassava is a root, a tuber, like a potato. It's native to South America, so it's very popular in Latin cuisine. It's also popular in Asia nowadays. You can treat it like a potato, it can be boiled, it can be fried, it can be turned into fritters, which is what we're doing today. In the States, cassava is also known as yuca. You may have heard of yuca fries or manioc. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let's get started.
We'll be using 2 pounds of cassava root. You can either buy the whole root and peel it, or if you can find, like I'm using, pre-peeled and frozen cassava root, that's even better. I can usually find it at my local Hispanic or Asian grocery store. Place the cassava in a big enough pan and cover it with water. Add some salt and then bring it to a boil. Cook the cassava until it's fork tender. The time can vary depending on the root, usually anywhere between 20 to 40 minutes. Once the cassava is soft, remove it from the water and transfer it into a different dish. Split the cassava pieces right down the center and remove the harder core fiber that runs in the middle. Next, mash the cassava. You can use a fork like I'm using or a potato masher. Once nicely mashed, season with some salt, fresh ground black pepper, and half a cup of grated parmesan cheese. Then mix everything well to combine. The next step is to shape the cassava fritters. You can give them whatever shape you like. I like to shape them into balls. To do that, I grab spoons full of the mixture and roll it between my hands. The cassava root is very starchy, and the fritters will hold their shape very well without the addition of egg or any flour. The fritters can also be filled with different fillings of your choice, like beef, chicken, cheese. I'm making some today with some Gruyere cheese. To add a filling, just press a portion of the cassava mixture down, add the filling in the center, and then wrap the cassava around it, before giving the fritter its shape. And these are ready to be fried. Add some vegetable oil into a frying pan, at least half the height of the fritters. You can also use a fryer or air fryer if you wish. Once the oil is hot, add the fritters and fry them until golden brown, turning them half the way. Once nice and golden, remove the fritters from the oil and drain them over some paper towel. The fritters will be nice and crispy on the outside with a soft inside. And the cassava flowers are ready to be eaten. I'm serving mine today with some white rice, some sauteed kale, some cassava flour farofa, some stewed black beans, the fritters, and topping everything with a fried egg. And bon appetit! I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.